Hey there, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to force turn off or restart your iPhone 16 Pro. Now, I have my iPhone 16 Pro here. We're going to use the buttons to do this. First, you're going to press the volume up on the left-hand side of your screen. Step 2 is you're going to press the volume down button on the left-hand side of your screen. And then third, you're going to press and hold the power button on the right-hand side of your screen until you see an Apple logo on your iPhone screen. You need to do it fairly quickly in rapid succession, so if you don't get it immediately, just try again. So I'm going to show you how it works. Volume up, volume down, and press and hold that side button. You can see it says slide to power off. However, I'm just going to keep holding my finger, because eventually the whole screen will go black, just like that. Now, I'm going to keep holding it until I see the Apple logo. This does a force restart on your iPhone. However, if you don't get it the first time, we'll just try again. It's completely safe on your iPhone. It doesn't hurt anything to do this. So after it reboots, again, you can just try it again, or if that doesn't work for you, again, press the volume up, press the volume down, and then press and hold the power button on the right until you see that Apple logo, and then your entire iPhone will force restart. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.